Most people think confidence is something you're born with, but the truth is, confidence is something you build, brick by brick, decision by decision, day by day. Unshakable confidence isn't loud. It doesn't need to be the center of attention. It's quiet, steady, and rooted in self-respect. It's walking into any room knowing you don't need to prove anything because you already know your worth. So how do you build it? Step 1. Keep promises to yourself. Every time you say, I'll wake up early, or I'll go to the gym, or I'll stop procrastinating, and then you actually do it. You send a message to your brain. And every time you break that promise, you lose a little of that trust. Confidence isn't about what others think. It's about whether believe you'll show up when it matters. Step 2, get uncomfortable on purpose. Confidence doesn't grow in comfort zones. It grows in discomfort, in fear, in failure. Put yourself in situations where you're stretched. Speak up, take risks, try things that might not work. Because every time you do, your comfort zone expands. And that's where real confidence lives. Step 3, stack small wins. Don't chase perfection, such as chase progress. Make your bed, finish the workout, post the video, start the side hustle. Each win is a deposit into your self-worth. And over time, those wins compound into belief. Step 4, stop comparing. Confidence dies when you compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You're not supposed to be them. You're supposed to become. Focus on your lane, your growth, your journey. Step 5, fix your self-talk. The way you speak to yourself matters more than anything. Would you talk to your best friend the way you talk to yourself? Stop saying, I'm not good enough, I always mess up, I can't. Start saying, I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm figuring it out, because your words shape your identity. Step 6, take care of your body. Confidence starts with energy, and your energy starts with your health. Sleep, hydration, nutrition, movement. You can't feel unstoppable if you're constantly exhausted. Take care of the machine and the mind will follow. Step 7, do hard things even when no one's watching. This is the secret most people miss. Real confidence comes from knowing what you've overcome. It comes from late nights, early mornings, and sacrifices no one saw but you. That's the kind of confidence no one can fake and no one can take. And finally, be patient. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's built through struggle, sweat, failure, and showing up again anyway. The most confident people you admire, they were once where you are right now. The only difference? They didn't stop. So build your confidence, slowly, steadily, unshakably, and soon the world will reflect what you already believe. You're capable, you're powerful, and you're enough. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.